In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Microsoft Excel. Changing the background color in Excel is a simple way to make your worksheets more visually appealing and easier to read. Whether you want to highlight important data, separate sections, or just make your spreadsheet look more organized, Excel provides easy options to customize cell backgrounds. To start, open your Excel workbook and select the cell, range of cells, or entire row or column that you want to format. You can click and drag to select multiple cells at once. Once your selection is ready, go to the Home tab at the top of Excel. Look for the Fill Color button, which looks like a paint bucket icon. Click the arrow next to it to open the color palette and choose the color you want to apply. The selected color will immediately appear as the background for your selected cells. If you want more color options, click on More Colors at the bottom of the palette. This will open Paint Assault window where you can choose from standard colors or create a custom color using the RGB or HSL settings. This is useful if you want your spreadsheet to match a specific theme or branding. You can also use conditional formatting if you want the background color to change automatically based on the values in your cells. To do this, go to the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting, and select Highlight Cells Rules, or create a new rule. Set the conditions and choose the fill color to apply when those conditions are met. Finally, remember that changing the background color does not affect the data in your cells. You can still perform calculations, sort, and filter your data as usual. Using background colors strategically helps you quickly identify key information and improves the overall readability of your spreadsheet. With these simple steps, you can customize your Excel worksheets and make them both functional and visually appealing.